Moving right along, getting everything painted for the box. This is a Rust-Oleum 2-part, and it is an epoxy mastic. I love this stuff. It dries with that nice hammered finish. This stuff dries harder than woodpecker lips. Turns into almost like a rubber. We use it on the floor. We beat the crap out of it, drive the forklift, tow tanks over it. Doesn't phase this stuff. Acid resistant. So there's the box, trying to get these back panel and side panels done. Once those are done, I can get the stainless top back up there, get the guts back in this thing, get it outside and filter in some air.